Hi guys, today I want to talk to you about selfie sticks. I've blogged about them, I've written about them, I've told everybody who will listen about them. They really give you a much more accurate representation of yourself than just holding a camera out in front of your face, which distorts your face. People like to do it like this, way up high, makes whatever's closest to the camera, in this case my eyeball, look huge, right? Also makes my nose look bigger. If you've been keeping up with my blog, you'll understand what I'm talking about here. Selfie sticks. You just pop your phone in, you aim it at yourself, right? And you can get distance from yourself. So you can pull it out, take it further away from you, and you get a much more accurate representation. In a group, you can pull it up high and you can get a lot more people in that way. So even a large group, a selfie stick works pretty well with that. I like setting a 3-second timer. If it's a big group, you can always set it longer than that. 3-second usually works with a selfie stick. But what I want to talk about right now is a selfie stick hack. Selfie sticks, it's this stick that has this clamp, right? What you need to know is that this clamp that's holding my phone right now unscrews. See the little screw up here? This is the same exact size, the same type of screw as any tripod. Tripods are made to screw into a camera. Whether it's a point and shoot camera or a full frame camera, any camera, you can literally hold it up with a selfie stick. Which also means that this fits on a tripod. This is a small tripod. It folds portable. It folds super teeny tiny. And I like keeping this in my purse. I can even put my full frame camera on it. But you can screw this from your selfie stick onto the tripod. Then you can set the tripod on a bench, you can set it on a table, you can set it on the hood of a car, you can set it anywhere and get a group picture. Set it for 10 seconds, get a picture of yourself even. Set it for whatever time you need on it. 10 seconds is good if you've got a big group and you want to run back in and rearrange yourself. You can use a regular full tripod too, obviously. Anyway, those little GorillaPods with the little three claws, you can hook those around a branch, you can make those just 3 straight legs. Those are awesome for this kind of thing, and they perfectly hold up a phone. So you don't have to use this selfie stick clamp on the selfie stick. You can put it on a tripod and it gives you so much more range. It's one of my favorite hacks.